So we've got 4 pieces of green paper. You're going to fold it in half, top, bottom, fold it in half, side to side. So you've got 2 creases going from the top to the bottom, side to side. So top, bottom, side to side. Now we're going to take this top line and we're going to fold it to match up with the middle crease. You got to convince it to go where you want. And I kind of like to bend my paper so I know where the middle is. Then I open it up. And just to make sure I've got that actual crease, you're going to flip it over. And we're going to take this to fold to this middle crease. So this crease that's here, line it up with that line. So it looks like a little triangle. So you got this part down at the bottom. Do the same thing, other side. So I got to convince it to get where I want it so they match up. They're not overlapping each other. Flip your paper over. This little line right here is going to be our guide to fold this down. So this little point gets folded down. Flip your paper over. Yes, there's a lot of flipping involved. Now, I see this little gap right here. This is going to get kind of bent up. See how my finger's touching that and coming out? There's a crease right here. The finger's going to push that down. So once again, it's lying flat. It comes up a little and the crease gets pushed. So it looks like a little triangle pointing to the side. We're going to do the same thing, other side. This gets opened. And then this crease is going to line up down the center. So it looks like a triangle. So it looks like that. Kind of looks like a bow. Now we're going to take this point and it's going to come right here to the center. So it's like we're folding this back and it looks like a little triangle at the top. It's a lot of triangles. It's okay if that opens back up. Same thing, other side. This top point goes right here. So this is going to bend to there. So I bend it and kind of turn so it goes to where I want it to go. This part is going to fold to the middle crease. There's that crease line right there in the middle. This part folds over to the crease. Same thing. What you did on this side, you're doing on that side. So fold over. When you flip it over, you've got your first of many little clover or shamrock, or it can be clover leaves. So then we're going to repeat it. Fold in half. Fold it in half. Top comes to the middle line. Now we're going to fold it. Excuse me, not fold it, flip it over. So our creases, that fold that we did is on the back. Now we're going to bring this line to meet up with this. So it's folding it. So it matches, makes a little triangle. This part matches up here. Flip over where you see that crease or line, fold it down, flip it over. We have like little spots. This, remember, finger goes in, and then you push it to flatten it out. Finger goes in, use your other hand to help you push it to flatten it out. Makes little triangles at the top, kind of looks like a bow. Then take that top part, and this is going to come over to the middle. So I bring it down and over at the same time. So not just down, but down and over. So it looks like a little triangle. So 2 little triangles. Take this side, fold it to the middle. That side, fold it to the middle. And we repeat that. These will start to fit together as you go along. When you let go, they're going to pop apart, just so you know. They don't all hook together. It takes a little while. So that's what we're going to continue doing, is making these. And from there, we'll put it together.